This early morning, in the twilight darkness, the ocean revealed its secret to me. Its shore, just yesterday scattered with remnants of the past, feathers, branches, seaweed, was now impeccably clean, as if the very force of nature had erased time. I remembered the bird I saw, gray, exhausted, frozen on the sand, wet, its beak open, whether it's in a silent cry or a final prayer, I couldn't tell. I stroked the back of its head that was still dry and fluffy, my tears falling into the sand, and something inside of me rang with helplessness. I couldn't help it, just as I couldn't help so many we leave behind. I felt so much pain. Next morning, I walked to the ocean again, my heart tightening with anticipation. But there are only the traces of great waters. The storm had washed everything away, and everyone. The bird was gone, as everything else. And then I understood. The night had taken not just the bird. It had carried away my past grievances, my pain. The icy wave passed through me, cleansing my blood, washing away yesterday. I lifted my head, looked at the stars. I felt so much lightness and freedom inside of me. It's possible, and it's so simple. Let go, allow, and open.